Okay, we're going to discuss the another example is here we're going to discuss the example is CuCN4 3 minus. We're going to discuss CuCN4 3 minus. We're going to discuss this in detail according to VBT. Okay. CuCN4 3 minus is the complex which is given to you. Coordination number is 4. That means it is important the Cu make 4 empty orbitals to provide the 4 empty orbitals. So first of all we write atomic number Cu is 29 and write the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d9, right? But actually we write how it? We write 4s1, 3d10 anomalous electronic configuration manganese and copper. ओके इथे एकच इलेक्ट्रॉन असतो डी फिलअप होऊन जाते कारण की ती इनर आहे तिला आधी पूर्ण करा आणि मग ती रिमेनिंग करते ओके सो हेअर इज द चेंज इन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन 4s1 3d10 here what is the oxidation state so here oxidation state is okay Cn minus 4 charge we consider x so x plus minus 4 is equal to minus 3 that means x is equal to plus 1 so oxidation state is plus 1 so that means here is a 1 electron lost so 28 is the remaining electrons so you can write 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 so 1 electron lost and I already told you the electron lost first from 4s then if there is a one more need required then lost from 3d so here we need only one lost that means the electron lost from 4s so 4s becomes 0 3d10 okay it is a free atom it is a free ion you mention it or simple you can write AR 4s1 3d10 or AR 4s0 3d10 okay so next electronic configuration of Cu plus in ground state so first of all draw the d orbital 3d orbital 1 2 3 4 5 here is a 3d first then 4s then 4p okay then 4p so how many electrons in d 10 electrons so fill up here 3d electrons so 5 6 7 8 9 10 okay 10 electrons that means okay see here all the d orbitals are completely filled okay so d orbitals are not available to make a bond to part of hybridization for the participating in hybridization because all the orbitals are completely filled so the central ion use 4s and 4p not a 3d because here all are completely filled so it undergoes sp3 hybridization it undergoes sp3 hybridization because we need a 4 empty orbitals 4s 4p 5 coordination number असता तर अजून 4s नंतर इथं कोण येणार 4d नंतर 5s नंतर 5p ओके ही सिक्वेन्स आहे then electronic configuration of Cu plus in excited state आता hybridization होणार ते excited state दाखवावे लागणार so draw 3d and these fours are combined together so here formation of set of 4 orbital आणि यांना आपण काय म्हणतो sp3 hybrid orbital sp3 hybrid orbitals and he 3d 10 electrons okay 10 electrons assumptions बघा की मेटलने तेवढे ऑर्बिटल्स अवेलेबल केल्या पाहिजे ओके करून दिल्या फर्स्ट जे मेटलचे इलेक्ट्रॉन पार्टिसिपेट करत नाही ते इनर डी मध्ये असतात हे नॉन बॉन्डिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आहेत लिगँडने इलेक्ट्रॉन पेअर डोनेट केला पाहिजे, त्याच्याकडे फील्ड ऑर्बिटल असलं पाहिजे. इथं कोण असणार आहे, सी एन मायनस तो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स डोनेट करणार आहे आणि इथं ते ऑक्युपाईड होणार आहेत कुठं. सो ओव्हरलॅपिंग ऑफ field orbital of ligand with sp3 hybrid orbitals. So 4 Cn minus ions overlap with 4 sp3 hybrid orbital. यांना sp3 चारीच्या चारी sp3 आहेत कारण की ते हायब्रिड झालेले आहेत, हायब्रिडायझेशन झालेलं आहे. आधी 4s होती, तिची आयडेंटिटी लॉस झाली. 4p दोघांचं इंडिव्हिज्युअल इनिशियल आयडेंटिटी लॉस झाली and they acquire the new identity and all atomic orbitals are the sp3 hybrid orbitals. Okay. So the complex is Cu Cn4 3 minus. You can represent the electron which are coming from the Cn minus cyanide ion using cross sign, or you can simply represent as like, okay. So you can use cross or this method, or both are same. So here electrons from 4Cn minus, electrons from 4Cn minus. Okay, what about the magnetic moment? Look at here, there is no unpaired electron, that means no unpaired electron, so magnetic moment mu is equal to 0, mu is equal to 0, so it is a diamagnetic, and you can draw the structure. Cu hybridization is sp3, that means geometry is tetrahedral, so Cn so you can explain, जे तुम्हाला दोन examples दिले तसं explanation. In Cu Cn4 3 minus complex, Cu plus ion has this electronic configuration 4s0 3d10 electronic configuration. 3d is completely filled, and to make a 4 bond with 4 Cn minus, Cu plus made or make available 4 empty orbital which are 1 4s and 3 4p, which undergoes hybridization to form the set of 4 sp3 hybrid orbital which are overlapped with the field orbital of 4 Cn minus ion. There is no unpaired electron, that means the magnetic moment of complex is 0, hence it is in diamagnetic in nature. The sp3 hybridization suggests the tetrahedral geometry. So this is all about the complex. Here is all a complex. You can explain the remaining other examples which are given same way. So solve today all the examples. 2 are I already provided to you. 1 I have discussed. So the remaining which are given in book, try to solve. Okay. So in next lecture on Monday, we're going to discuss the square planar geometry. Means we discuss some examples of square planar geometry. So today we stop here. If you have any difficulty, you can ask me, or you can comment here, or you put your questions, queries on our WhatsApp group. So we stop here. Thank you.